that note, mami, Emma super odi social busian yako. Na nipa obebi ko akwanoma ono so aba be ne de. Na yeso de breya wo entertainment industry, any drama, any movie mu ana odi be ye. Afi so ho adisuade a ode breya na no true movie. Any then ultimate communicate. Nyankopon fa ne crancy.
Amen.
Mama ono so wo I think multimedia mama Korea. Also no ani nua so okosra no. 2 p.m. or take care man ne sugar colo one continue
anyway, c'est la vie as the French should
now
say.
You always say something, say love can be say,
make love not war. War.
Make love in a better way. In a better
Debbie, don't twist it. Say make love not war.
Say
make love not
people,
war.
let love
make love not war.
Kwame, you are here today.
You're gone tomorrow.
Chairman General, I remember.
Answer I mean, family message is key to a bit too. Typical of Ghanaians, the knee-jerk approach to issues has been our hallmark. Kwame, can't we ever be proactive? How can a qualified contractor be that reckless in his line of duty? I support your stance on that. Somebody must pay for the loss. Good morning to my brother Youth Oku and his uncle Masakwesi Pratt. Kwame Poku, CID, number 46 Florida Street, Bantama in Kumasi. I'm still wrapping my head around Florida Streets in Kumasi. But Kwame, there's another death trap along the Kumasi Teshiman Road. Fifi from Ablekuma said that one. 1 2 1 2. There's a high level of indiscipline on our roads. Dangerous overtaking on the shoulders of the road. Most times it's as if a good road means overspeed. We drive not minding the speed limits. Drivers overtake only believing in the cars they are riding in as fast cars. We seem to be careless about the value of life. Papaya Benson Sishiyosum. Then this one says, okay, we've read this one. The special prosecutor will be meaningless unless the officer is allowed to investigate and potentially prosecute all cases of suspected wrongdoing since 1981. Masaud in Kumasi Bantama. I wonder if you yourself were even born then. But is that Mr. Oku talking here? Politicians are the same. Campaign time. He was prepared to drink Gary Sookins. Today, they are not available. I know that they great they want to. Okay, I'll leave it there. You fabre. Dr. Ayini's lawsuit against Martin Amidu is a strategic plan to boycott the vetting. It seems that some people's shadow are running after them. The man Martin has come to stay as a special prosecutor. All the best, Walanyo in Akwetia. This one says, Chairman General, I beg. We like our Florida street like that. Leave us alone. Yo, yeah, I hear. And then I saw a Churchill Park last night right in the middle of Dankwa Circle and picking passengers. Question is, are we all right as a people? Who is crazier, the Churchill driver or the passengers? I guess for some or all of us. And a very good morning to you, Francis Afoini, who is listening live. He says, I'm in Whole Market right now. I can hear you live all over. Whole Market, is that the famous Ashigama? Well, nice one. Mr. Afoini, good morning and thank you very much. Amma says, Sami Oku has spoken well, perfectly said. And so Sami has a fan in Amma. And then, okay. You feel free.
Chairman, I'm saying, I'm saying the chassis and special prosecutor and a suit filed by the NDC member of Parliament for Boga. Na Nieman Biamina Kakra.
To say,
Yedi Kaino. Ubia no obetimi asi citizen bia ho kwan. Sasem bi kire wadwen a na opese court etiemu ekiremu. In this case, no, Ora Dominic Ayeni, we invited the court, the highest court of the land, so we invoke our jurisdiction. Now, woman churching on one customer said by a true and proper interpretation of Article 190, 199 of your 1992 Constitution. Said, so be Edibro 60 years. On no understanding of the law. They say Ubidibu 60 years and now walk anymore to 65 years. Won't me aim hold the public office. I mean, I say with you in Keda court about any. Oh, yeah. You see, as I know, Ebeja, baby, a better friend, not to discuss the merit or demerit of the case. It's within 2 years, if you look at the kind of songs with me at 2 years, see a casa globeso if you're no papa, dear. Now, I think say Ebony no pa grown or chance here. I think that the lady had huge potential. And you may not may not like her totally, but in terms of the songs, the lyrics and then send or the instrumentals become, I think it's a gem we have lost. But just as you said, somebody must answer to some of these road assets. Because you don't know when it is. And some of us, we are always on the road. We are politicians, we are a police station, we are a constituency election. Nina a crisscrossing of the country. Our National Road Safety Commission. This is the time as some of us model Rubomu and also conscientizing drivers, city authorities, district assemblies. We cannot continue to lose precious lives daily. Ebi akwa celebrity in Tinaote. Send away film. But chairman, additionally, we lose our lives on daily basis through road accident. It breaks some of us our heart. It also mocks our piety as a country. Say we are determined. Say you better ready in road. No so of some of these things. You can't say you come a road. You can't city authorities say adi. Yes, that's what come a Timamu for. All the road signs are on chance and Anna, ye indicating say be a rams ahead, same. Who do some of the communities? Oh, yes, I am on the chance near the Nwediane. Two things the police you also chance to the anymore. But also a bear ramp, ye lebono. It's your best, it goes for both sides. But I think this young lady's death now, so sad, so pathetic, but it should also mark a new beginning on how we need to keep our lives on our road not so safe.
Now we just think how do you feel for power?
Yeah, chairman, we know me kase rabani wona nya me ya na mboa. But the sad aspect is that ade we na me pese me kom bebre, but I mean the sad aspect is I'm say yeah part of the world. Bibi say here you say be forensic expert and investigators. Omo ye from offense no prophets and asofo try and tell us the cause of some of these because chairman, I'm not too sure say it was prophetic says the anua gu kwan mu ne the anua no be gu kwan mu a the gu kwan mu na service. Me am one of the people I have firm believe in prophecies. Yeah, you na na ka fa ye ho a no wakwa kubusem na na yese o ye wa chairman o tuo ya ka bi a kire wo. But if you want to so so buani or buani. Because you cannot tell me say you kwan so da wa yen hipu san enwu road markings enya papa ram says ya ramp eso so ne mfa ne bo say ramp ahead umpo oye even idahosa of our time you run into it and die. And the pathetic aspect of this our new craze is a chairman whilst lives are perishing nanko for trying video. Absolutely no dignity for the dead now in this age of social media. And Kwame, I say ye bibia yesua tra. Kwame, nipa na kwa kosia ni vi na kwensia. Enye through a fault of his or hers. And the least we can do for the person as a country, as a citizen, they said the first thing Ben see be training nipa na body. I bu akwa na busu afompo kranti you. Yeni abema ya na no Ghanaian Times and not President Mahama press call Niama.
Yeah.
Before the bush of work say Jack no na accident is here nipa na near denam. Yeni abema soja niya ukoshia na kwenshia in the fight against Galamsey. Major Mahama. Even before the bush of work crampo crab betino. Na social media na emu no ya say nipa say we reduce say the dignity of the dead not to nothing. Come and then nipa call out that morgue no instead say people pray for the repose of the person's soul. Thanks to social media. and they bring the person's body in a manner. Now, Ayana Openia de Kumbu baby also we a fonsa. No shows.
Question part favorite Benono.
Kwame, Yena no you are going to be dying. Ubi nim how I will Ubi any. But then, oh, Yanni say, no, we be sound say, Memem reson, not say the say, Yemia.